Hey, it's Greg Luther here, coming to you for a second time today from San Diego without my sunglasses, no less. That's no good. In class here today, and one thing that I learned a little bit about and want to make sure you learn as well, kind of a pro tip to pass along to you here, is a lot of times when I ask somebody what they want to be or what they want to do, unfortunately they tell me all the things they don't want to be or don't want to do. So as an example, I don't want this to happen to me, or I don't want to be this person. One thing I want you to think about is, who do you not want to become as a real estate agent? I always explain to everybody, look, there's going to be a retirement age coming for you eventually. What do you want it to look like, and what do you not want to be? Do you not want to be struggling or worrying about money or only as good as your next transaction, that type of thing? If that's who you are currently, you have to get that changed. You have to get yourself to a position that you're much more disciplined. So a lot of times, you've probably heard me talk about before, if you've heard my story, just deathly afraid of poverty. I've been there before. I've been in poverty and have struggled even as a real estate agent. And getting away from all of that was a tremendous difference for me, to feed that fear, to make it bigger every single day. That was a big, big plus for me. And it allows you to stay more focused with your actions every day. So what you're doing to make money becomes much, much different. You're not dealing with all the distractions that you would customarily deal with, or the busy work that's getting in the way of you making money as a real estate agent. So anyway, pro tip for the day is, think about who you do not want to be when you grow up, right? Once you become that adult, or once you get closer to retirement, what do you want to look like? What do you want your life to look like, your finances to look like? Keep that in mind today. Go out and make some money. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.